Hello everyone. I have a lot going on here today. It's snowing, it's cold, and in this pan right here I have some dough. I am making Chef John from foodwishes.com his hamburger bun recipe. If you have never made your own hamburger buns, man, you're missing out. So I'm going to lightly flour my board, my countertop here. This has been rising for 2 hours. Isn't that lovely? Don't want to play with it too much here. So I'm going to get it into kind of a rectangular shape. So that I can get 8 buns. I've made this recipe before, it's awesome. Okay. I'm going to cut this into 8s. Then I'm going to just take my dough and I'm going to just see if they're kind of all about the same size. Because if they're not, then I'll need to take some off of other ones to make them about the same size. These look about the same size. This one looks a little bit bigger. We're going to just go ahead and pull off a little dough off of that one. Still looks a little full. We'll put it on that one. This one's looking a little full. We'll put it on this one. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, so I'm going to get these kind of in a disc shape and about a 1/2 inch in diameter. And then they're going to go over here on my, I'm going to move you here. We're going to go over here on my pan. And I'm just going to keep doing that. So now, what we want to do is drape some plastic wrap over the top. You don't want it to press on there too much. You don't really want them to hold them down at all. And I have something in my oven, so right now on top of my stove is a place to hang out at. There we go. Hello everybody. I know my one pan is kind of in the way here, but here's my buns. They've risen. I'm going to take an egg wash. This is 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of milk. And I'm going to gently brush my buns. Very light touch. Some sesame seeds. Oops. I just went all over the floor. Okay. There we go. There's the buns. Don't they look just luscious? Delicious. So, Chef John says that these will only last like 2 or 3 days, but I find if I put them in just a storage gallon-size Ziploc bag, 4 to a bag, and then just don't close them quite all the way, and then I put them in my China hutch, which is where I keep my bread, because otherwise Tuco will eat it. They lasted for a good week. Never got any mold on any of them that I had on the last batch. So, thanks for watching.